With the Donations Accelerator for Salesforce, Nonprofit Cloud, you are one click away from increasing the relevance of your donations data. From your Tableau Cloud site, connect to your Salesforce org and instantly get a ready-to-use solution. This accelerator allows you to acknowledge the results of your fundraising efforts. The executive summary is composed of 6 sections. At the top left, how much donations did you receive? With total donations amount, number of gifts, and average gift size. In total, and broken down by donor type. Then, from which countries do you receive the most donations? Below, what does your donor base looks like? Are the donations from existing donors, or are they new donors? How is the total number of your donors evolving? Are you able to develop also with new donors? Finally, on the right, what are the top sources of donations? And what are your best performing appeals? Let's now deep dive to your donor base. Alongside the total number of donors, total donations, and average donation per donor. You can measure your success in engaging new donors, whether they are individuals or privately held companies. On the right, the accelerator shows you how to revive your donor base, based on a segmentation that takes into account the last donation, the frequency of donation, and the total donation volume. On this basis, the accelerator recommends the most appropriate marketing action for each segment. Let's now deep dive to a specific donor. At the top left, general information about this donor and his lifetime donations. Below, the profile of this donor and the next best marketing action to engage. Finally, at the right, the KPIs related to this donor, with top donation types, top sources, and top appeals he participated to. You can also focus your analysis on a specific donor type. At the top left, market share of these types of donors compared to the total volume of donations. At the bottom left, who are the related donors? On the right, the fundraising results with those donors. Total number of donors, total donations, and average donation amount. What are their preferred donation types, sources, and best performing appeals? Let's now review the performance of your appeals. For each appeal, assess the total amount of donations raised with top contributor types, the number of donors who contributed, and the number of gifts. You can of course deep dive to a specific appeal and get all the information that you need to understand its performance. Finally, don't hesitate to ask the accelerator any other questions you may have. You will always get the answer. Use this accelerator as a starting point and customize it to meet your specific needs. To learn more, visit us online.